ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் பேக் டு அவர் சேனல். நான் தான் உங்கள் இன்றைக்கான வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஒரு தரமான ஒரு வீடியோ தான் கைஸ். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எத்தனையோ ஒரு வீடியோவுக்கு தரமான வீடியோன்னு சொல்லியிருப்பேன். ஆனால் இதுதான் உண்மையான தரமான வீடியோ. என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, ரூக் எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அவர் பார்த்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா வீடியோ எடிட்டிங் பண்ணுறது வேறு லெவலில் எடிட் பண்ணுவார். அதில் ஒரு சாம்பிள் வீடியோ தான் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம எடிட் பண்ணி நம்ம காட்ட போகிறோம். வீடியோ மட்டும் ஸ்கிப் பண்ண மட்டும் பாருங்கள். ஒரு இடத்துல ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிங்கன்னா கூட உங்களுக்கு புரியாமல் போகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. அதனால் வீடியோ மட்டும் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பாருங்கள். அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கெல்லாம் ஷேர் பண்ணி விடுங்க. இப்படி எடிட் பண்ணுற உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னா. இந்த வீடியோவுக்கு ஒரு 10 லைக் கொடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா அடுத்த வீடியோ போட ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன். பார்ட் 2 வீடியோ போடுறேன். ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம், நம்ம சேனலை மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள் கைஸ். ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவாக போயிட்டுருக்கு சேனல். அதனால் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் மட்டும் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாருங்கள். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போயிடலாம்.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, I'm break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, it's so cold outside, I'm
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed.
Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you've lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Tell me what you need, tell me what you need, tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance.